Hello, my name is Dr. Katrina Bogdan, and I am a naturopathic doctor in the Missouri Ozarks. On September 14th, I would like to warmly invite you to a Returning to Peace retreat at my home and farm in Seymour, Missouri. I see so many people struggling with anxiety in my practice. And so for about the price of a new patient visit, I'll be pairing up with Denise Bischoff to offer 6 hours of very practical tools and therapies that you can use to help restore peace in your life. In the sessions that I'll be teaching, we'll be looking at underlying causes of anxiety, of herbal medicines that you can use safely at home, as well as customized flower essences that you can use to help restore peace into your life. I hope you'll join us.
Hi, my name is Denise Bischoff, and I'm thrilled to be offering this retreat with Dr. Katrina Bogdan on September 14th. I truly believe that joy is our inborn natural state and that we are meant to experience life with more ease and peace. As a spiritual life coach, I have helped many people who are feeling lost, overwhelmed with life, and worried about the future to become more calm, clear, and empowered, and ready to create a life they love. At this intimate retreat, we are going to experience deep rest by relaxing the body, removing clutter from the mind, and experiencing the healing powers of the breath. We're also going to explore shifting our mindset and energy away from anxiety and stress and towards more peace and relaxation, so you will leave restored. So if you are ready to discover a new way of being in the world that brings greater ease, peace, and joy, join us on September 14th for this life-changing retreat.